Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel. Yeah man, Wagwan. So in this video I am just showing you the cornmeal that I made from scratch, grating dried corn. Listen, it was a bit tedious because I need to change the grater. I'm gonna buy one of the Jamaican original grater because it is corn season in Jamaica right now, and I am gonna do a corn series on my channel, so I need the Jamaican old-time traditional grater. Anyway, this cornmeal right here is 100% from grated corn. I'm gonna use it to make porridge. Anyway, this video is not about how to make the porridge. I will make the porridge in another video. Yeah man, using some good old coconut, grated coconut milk. Yeah, but this video is all about how to make corn dumpling. Yeah man, the good old fashioned Jamaican corn dumpling. So I'm gonna show you how I grater the corn and make the corn dumpling. Yes, and I did grated a lot more. Yeah man, to get this. So what I did was after I finished grating the corn, I sieve it. I sieve it a lot of times. And then I leave it out on the countertop like this, allow it to air dry, and then I put it into an airtight container. Yeah man. So I'm gonna make cornmeal. But stay tuned for the video how to make Jamaican corn dumpling, how to make cornmeal from scratch. I am using 3 dried corn. The grains should be tough, or maybe you call it kernel. In Jamaica, it's grain. We say corn grain. All right, so you don't want to use the one that was picked and then put on for dry. No, you don't want the one there. The corn must be dried on the stalk before reaping. That is the one that you want. Yeah, and then I grate the corn. Also, do not use the corn that they call sweet corn. Okay, people, so I am down to the last corn, and I am gonna buy one of the Jamaican traditional grater. You see the grater them was selling at the market. Me I go hold on for one because the one here, she has stressed me. The one here has stressed me. The one I can't manage it, she has stressed me. So I'm gonna buy a Jamaican traditional grater because it is corn season, and I am gonna do a corn series on this channel. So I need one of the Jamaican traditional grater. So let me just finish grater this and come back. Alright. Leave out right here so because it look like say one little worm there right here, so I'm not grate the worm. Yeah man, but I real corn, these are the real corn because you don't know so worm, they like fake, right? So yeah man, see it here. The real cornmeal, no preservatives, no, what you call it, GMO, none of them something there, real deal. This is cornmeal. Let's save one more time. Right, gonna discard this. Alright, so this is it. This is the real cornmeal. But in Jamaica, when you grate the corn and make dumplings, we call it corn dumplings. However, when we put like cornmeal, the one that you purchase at the stores, we call it cornmeal dumplings. So this is corn dumplings. Alright, so I'm gonna add some all-purpose flour to it. You don't need any measurement for this. You're gonna use the amount of flour that you want to use. Suppose you want the dumplings to taste more like cornmeal, then you use less flour. Or if you want it to be like 50-50, you use a little bit more flour. There's no need to measure it like, say, 1 cup of flour or anything like that. Just use your discretion. And it depends on you too and what you want, whether you want the dumpling to be more, taste more like cornmeal or whatever. For me now, me want 50-50. So I'm gonna put a little bit more all-purpose flour. Because remember that this cornmeal is, wow, the breeze, stronger than the one that you purchased at the store, because it no process, it did not went through any form of process or anything like that. It's just natural. So this is okay, right? Yeah, man. For the salt, I'm gonna add about, I don't know, about half teaspoon. Yeah. I am from a culture that we don't measure anything. We just, we call it freestyle, and we always get it right. I don't know why. So now I am using a little water at a time to mix the corn flour into dough. It is pretty much easy. Just watch the video. I also uploaded a video where I detail step by step how to make flour into dough. I had to speed up the video because I do not want the video to be too long. Yeah, man, so just watch the video. It is pretty much easy. So now I am forming the dough into a ball shape, and then I'm going to cover it and allow it to rest on the countertop. Now to cook the corn dumplings, I have a pot with about 4 cups of water and I am adding salt. As soon as the water is boiling, I am adding sweet potatoes to the water. Gonna cover the pot and allow the sweet potatoes to cook for about 10 minutes before adding anything else. So it has been about 10 minutes since the sweet potatoes have been cooking. So now I'm gonna add green bananas and Irish potatoes. And these green bananas are really, really soft. So they will not take a long time to cook. I wash one of the banana skin and then I put it into the pot. This will prevent the banana from staining the dumpling, meaning, giving the dumpling the brown color. Yeah. So now I am adding the dumplings immediately after adding the green bananas and the Irish potatoes, because as I mentioned before, the bananas are extremely soft and the sweet potatoes have been cooking for the last 10 minutes, so it is the right time to add the dumplings. Gently stir and then cover the pot. As soon as the bananas and the Irish potatoes cook, the dumplings cook as well. The food finished cooking, so now I am turning off the stove. In my plate chaka chaka because I already started to eat. So I am having corn dumplings, green bananas, Irish potato, and sweet potato with curry chicken. So corn dumpling is much nicer than when you use the cornmeal that you purchase at the supermarket to make cornmeal dumplings. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you, corn dumplings are much nicer. You understand? Yeah, man. So corn dumplings with pickled fish. That is the one. That combination wicked. You know when you purchase the sea fish, get it scraped and gutted, and then you bring it home and core it and corn it with salt and then put it down and then you do some other something to it and then you fry it up with onion and tomato. Nice.